In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Microsoft Outlook notes. If you've accidentally deleted a note in Outlook, don't worry. In many cases, it can still be recovered, either from your deleted items folder or from Outlook's recoverable items area on the server. I will walk you through both methods so you can check the most likely places and restore your note as quickly as possible. First, open Outlook and go to your folder list. From there, click on Deleted Items. This folder is usually the first place to check because deleted notes often end up here before they're removed permanently. Once you are inside Deleted Items, look carefully through the contents for items that show a small note icon. That icon helps you identify Outlook notes more easily, especially if your folder contains a mix of emails, calendar items, and other content. When you find the note you want to recover, right-click it and choose Move. Then select your Notes folder as the destination. This sends the note back to the proper location so you can access it normally again. If you have a lot of deleted content in the folder, it may help to sort or scan slowly, so you don't miss the note you are looking for. If the missing note is not in deleted items, the next step is to check Outlook's Recoverable Items feature. To do that, select the Deleted Items folder first, then click Recover Deleted Items from the server. Depending on your version of Outlook, you may find this option on the ribbon or inside the folder menu. This area can contain items that were removed from deleted items but are still temporarily available for recovery. When the recovery window opens, look through the available items and choose the missing notes you want to bring back. After selecting them, click Restore. Outlook will then return those notes so they can be accessed again. This is especially useful if the item was deleted more than once or cleaned out from the Deleted Items folder earlier. Keep in mind that recoverable items are usually only stored for a limited time, so it's best to try this as soon as you notice something is missing. Also, if you don't see the recovery option, it may depend on your Outlook version or your organization's settings. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.